Oh, it's recording now. Okay. Hi guys, it is Saturday and I'm uploading my second video. That's my sister Hannah. We're gonna do animal noises.
My idea.
It was Hannah's idea.
Freaking bright as hell.
Yeah, it really is. Okay, so we're gonna start off with doing a horse noise. That's not what a horse sounds like. It goes, nay. No, wait, that's a sheep. It goes, what does it go? It goes, neigh. A horse goes, neigh. Neigh. Okay. So now we're going to do piggies. That was so good. We should be professionals. Okay. A goat. A chicken.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
No, that's a rooster.
Oh. They're still birds. Yeah.
Oh god. A dog.
That's what our dog sounds like.
Woof. Okay, a sheep.
That still falls under the goat. Falls under the goat category.
Okay, so just ignore that one then.
This is my favorite one coming up.
Mom, we heard that.
This is my favorite one coming up.
Okay, this is a cow.
Moo.
Moo la la. Moo. Okay, Hannah, what's your favorite animal from this list?
It was a cow.
Oh, that was a cow. But
Cows always make me laugh that sound.
what's your favorite animal, Hannah?
Where's my favorite animal? I don't know.
Mine's a whale. But
Oh, mine's a teacup Persian cat.
mine's a whale, but it's pretty much just a narwhal.
Mine's a teacup
like their
Persian
form.
cat.
See,
They're so cute.
the only reason there are narwhals is because unicorns and whales mated, and we got a narwhal.
That's the gayest thing I've ever heard in my life.
You didn't know that?
I don't really care.
Okay. Say bye, Hannah.
I'm a gangster. I'm a straight up
Bye.
gangster. Life is a life
Oh my god,
for
it's
me.
so